So would I recommend fake lips to you guys? The answer is... I love free stuff. Who doesn't? So, good afternoon, YouTube. The front lip just showed up. FedEx just dropped it off. I promised it in the last video. The car definitely needs it after doing the hood, fenders, front bumper that you guys saw in the last one. So, I'm gonna go ahead and walk you guys through an unboxing of it, and we'll see how it fits. Talk about that. I'll show a few things that I like to do a little bit different than some people do when installing a front lip, and yeah, we'll talk about it. So let's get started. Okay, looks like we've got some stickers. What do we got? What is this? It's a laptop bag? Did they know I'm trying to start a YouTube channel? Shoot. Looks like the lip is well packaged. Does not look damaged. All right, let's get into this. Let's see what the heck this is. I'm excited. I love free stuff. Okay, I was mistaken. It is not a laptop bag at all. It pops out into two little cubes for carrying stuff, and then you can fold it up and put it away. All right, you guys gotta stop letting me play around with all this extra stuff. We came here for a front lip. Let's get it. All right, you guys. So, upon initial inspection, I see, just like most of your carbon fiber parts, unless you're spending like nearly $1,000, it's gonna be carbon fiber. Okay, it's gonna be decent. We know it's not gonna fit perfect. We know when you get into these corners here, it's gonna look a little wonky. And we know that it's not gonna be full carbon. So we have fiberglass, and then we have carbon laid over the top just where you can see it. It's really no big deal. It's my daily driver, and I did not expect much. And that's okay. We're gonna install it, and it's gonna look great. And we're gonna be happy with it. So, let's get into it. All right, so first step, we've got to drill out through these marked up holes so that we can run the bolt head through on the inside and then out. So, big hole on this side and little hole on this side. So, we'll get those all knocked out and see how it fits. As you guys are seeing, you obviously want to go really slow. You don't want to blow through that. And you don't want to catch and spin and crack and yikes. It's already cracked on this side and this side in the same spot. And then if you look on the end here, this one is okay, but this end is already cracked. So this end I will have to refiberglass later, because if you don't, it will split along here and make the carbon look bad. So, to be quite honest, for $450, I think your money can be spent on a better product. So, sorry to say, we're still gonna throw it on the car, see how it fits, but that's my opinion. I mean, are you really a shop guy if your jack doesn't sound like that? All right, hopefully you guys can hear me okay. It is raining, it's Washington State, tin roof, what do you expect? So, I wanna point out the lip did not come with any hardware. They usually don't, I'm not surprised. I brought my own. I don't like to use self-tappers. I just don't trust them. If you're going pretty fast, hit a little something, something, run it over, it sucks. I prefer to just use a machine screw with an eye-lock nut. I don't use washers though. I don't like to use washers because I do want the lip to break away from the bumper before it rips the whole bumper and everything with it. So don't use fender washers or anything like that because you potentially could rip your entire front bumper, cause a lot more damage. You want to have almost like a fusible link, a weak point that the lip will eventually detach from the bumper before doing more damage. So that's the way I like to play it. Drill a couple of holes, line it up, figure it out. I'll show you guys how it looks, and we'll see what it looks like when it's done. So with that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Not much to it, but I figured it was worth kind of giving an overview of specifically a souvenir brand lip, what you're gonna get, and or maybe even any carbon fiber parts from them. I'm assuming they're sourced from Alibaba, just like most of these companies do. So it's really not on them, I suppose, but it does suck that you spend a decent amount of money and it doesn't fit right, but that's just how it goes, we know it. So if you guys did appreciate the video, if you guys have questions, comment down below, please. Give me a like, it doesn't cost you anything. And if you guys want to subscribe, cars, trucks, diesel trucks, boat stuff, and motorcycles, jet skis, stuff in a garage, that's what you're gonna find on this channel. So if you have other things that you want to know about the car, feel free to ask, and yeah, let's make it happen. So thank you guys.